Located in Belo Horizonte, Brazil, Humberto Hermeto's JE house is a remarkable example of how architecture can address the challenges of extreme topography with ingenuity and beauty. The house sits on a sloping site with a 10-meter elevation difference, but rather than viewing this as an obstacle, Hermeto turned it into an opportunity to create two distinct spatial worlds, an art gallery below and a living space above. From the outside, the house appears as a concrete platform rising from the ground, solid yet light in its visual impact. The lower level of the house was designed as a private gallery for the owner, an art collector. This volume partially recesses into the contours of the land, creating a calm and focused atmosphere, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. The residence is open, bright, and blends with the distant mountain landscape. Upstairs, Hermeto placed the entire living area under a single 81-meter-long concrete roof. From the living room to the bedrooms, every space faces the same direction, open to the expansive Brazilian greenery and sky. Natural light and cross-ventilation are maximized through large openings, reflecting the changing daily rhythms of the sun. Materiality is the primary language of this house. Exposed concrete creates a solid and monolithic impression, while large glass panels convey transparency and a connection with nature. A wooden deck extending towards the landscape serves as an extension of the living space, a place where the boundaries between inside and outside disappear. This is where the house demonstrates a balance between strength and softness, between a firm structure and a warm atmosphere. More than just a home, J.E. House is a lesson in how architectural design can transform limitations into potential. The complex sloping site actually gives rise to rich spatial solutions, presenting natural and meaningful vertical relationships. By vertically separating the gallery and living functions, Hermeto demonstrates a new way of understanding space, not just based on form, but also on experience and emotion. Through this work, Hermeto invites us to see the house as a built landscape, a place where architecture, nature, and everyday life seamlessly blend. J.E. House symbolizes the courage to reinterpret living spaces, demonstrating that true beauty emerges when design engages with challenges rather than avoiding them.